Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you HARDROCK beta account suspended how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your HARDROCK beta account has been suspended, it's essential to address the issue promptly to understand the cause and explore potential solutions. In order to fix it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your mail app and then check your email inbox, including spam or junk folders, for any communication from HARDROCK beta regarding the suspension. Such notification typically outline the reason for the suspension and may provide initial steps for resolution. Then what you need to do is head over back and then open up your browser, and on the search bar type in HARDROCK beta support center or simply HARDROCK beta. Then click on HARDROCK beta link, and then once you're inside the homepage of the HARDROCK beta, scroll all the way down until you find the option that says help and simply tap on that. Now inside here what you need to do is tap on the option that says live chat and then initiate a conversation with HARDROCK beta digital assistant Betsy. If Betsy cannot resolve your issue, you'll be connected to a live support agent. Then you can also use the provided email option within the help center to send a detailed explanation of your situation. Include your account information and any relevant details to expedite the process. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.